To remove your sun visor, you'll need a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. You'll also need a Phillips screwdriver. Start by prying out the small cap here that is hiding the two Phillips screws. Unscrew those two screws. The sun visor will come right out without any effort. Now to remove the small clip retainer, there's a Phillips screw hiding right under it. Start by removing it. You don't need to remove the screw completely. And then pull out the whole unit. Pull down. There we go. This is how you remove your sun visor in a Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching.